Hey there cruisers, today we are on board Celebrity Edge taking a look at the iconic suite. It's Shane here from SW Black Travel and let's take a look at this fabulous suite. These suites are 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a very big space. We're talking 1,892 square feet internal, which is 176 square meters. Also there is 689 square feet for the terrace, or 64 square meters, which is bigger than some cabins in itself. Now notice as we go out to the terrace just where we are positioned. We're over the bridge, so you can walk out past any other balcony on the ship and you get views that are exclusive to the iconic suites on board. As we turn around the front, you can see that we have the views that the captain and all his officers in the bridge see as you are cruising. Here we have the second bedroom, plenty of space, a lovely comfortable bed, a desk and a window taking some extra views. Here is the second bathroom, luxuriously appointed as you can see. Next time I'll remember to turn on the lights. Here we have the butler's pantry, keeping in mind that you do have access to a butler on board. And here we have the master bedroom, where you can see that the bed is uniquely positioned over the bridge, looking straight out the front of the ship. You can draw the curtains, privacy, or just to block out the light, and you have a desk on the left. And here we have the bathroom attached to the master bedroom. We have a whirlpool, shower, etc. And there you have it. That's the iconic suite on Celebrity Edge. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay classy.